Hi everyone, both new and existing members on our channel, on the WhatsApp group, and any other media channel you're seeing this from. Already the training is ongoing and many are earning from it. Many are happy they've joined. My last 6 months of hearing about this changed my life for good. Imagine when you have been watching videos your whole life and you have never been paid. You watch videos on social media and you don't get paid for doing so. This opportunity is a transforming one. They pay you for watching videos. There are many frustrating services offering the same thing out there, but they are not trusted and trusted. Okay? What I'm about to show you in this training will change your life, will change your thinking. People earn from TikTokers. People earn from YouTubers. People earn from Facebookers, as you can put it. And most of them earn when you interact with their contents. Okay? There are people out there who are willing to pay you high volume. I'm trying to tell you why you should join this training. They are paying you high volume so that they can get, because each of these media, as I've mentioned, YouTube, TikTok, and Facebook, they have requirements before you can start earning when people engage with your content. Basically, right now we know that TikTok, once you go live and you have reached a certain amount of followers, about 2k followers, then you can go live and start receiving gifts, and also you will also be having paid sponsorships from people. While YouTube currently at time of recording this video need 4,000 watch hours and 1k subscribers before you can apply for monetization. You'll be seeing Google ads. You'll be monetizing the Google ads that will be shown on your channel. While Facebook, their requirements are basically one of the most complicated ones right now, beyond the scope of this tutorial, this video. I'll tell you about that in training. Okay, so these requirements all bonded together. There are people who are willing to pay you high volume. They set their bid. Some of them are willing to pay you as high as $100 per task you do for them. Some of them are ready to pay you $1. Some of them are ready to pay you 5 cents, $0.5. That means when you do all these tasks per day, you end up making as high as $1k. If you are willing to spend your whole dedicated 24 hours to this thing I'm about to show you, you can make it. But if you're the one who wants to be doing this during your spare time, maybe you have another work you're doing, maybe when you are not doing anything, that's when you want to what you do during bedtime or spare time, anyone, then basically you're also welcome for the training, because you can be making as high as $200 or the minimum of $100 per day from doing these tasks. This is not a kind of way to convince you on why you should join. Okay, this is not a kind of way to convince you on why you should join. It's a way to tell you that people have been earning. I have been earning. People have been earning. But how can you get started? Don't forget, I also said I'll show you how to earn from affiliate marketing, because this platform I'm about to show you also pays as high as $2 for sign-ups, not buying of products. Many affiliate systems out there will pay you when people sign up and also pay for a particular product, and then you give a percentage cut. This platform will give you as high as $2 per sign-up. Per sign-up, you're getting your $2. Okay. And I'm also going to show you how you can run good ads to drive people to this platform, for people to sign up, and then you get your $2. Imagine you get 10 people per minute from your ads. You can calculate it, you can do the math. That's like 2 times, you're getting $20. Okay, getting $20 for all the sign up for that day, for that minute, I mean. Not to talk of the whole day. If you have an ad running, most people don't know how to set up Facebook, and most people don't know how to set up Google ads. I'm going to show you how to do this yourself. I'm going to teach you how to do this. Okay, I'm going to show you every single thing from the beginning to the end. Why you should join this training is because I'm going to be showing you this. I'm also going to show you how to start a successful Facebook page, a successful YouTube channel, a successful TikTok account, Instagram account. I'm going to show you how to start them. Maybe you get frustrated because you post your content is not going viral, especially on TikTok. Post it on YouTube, you're not getting views. People don't know how to place these keywords. People don't know the tools to use. This platform I'm about to show you will solve everything for you. Okay? So these are the reasons why you should join this training. You need to join this training to convert your phone, your PC into a money bank. Okay? I'll be teaching you how to do this yourself. And this training happens every day, every single day. I help people in this training every single day. I mentor people. I'm online to help you too. It's not like after teaching you, then I will not be there for you again. I'm online to answer all your questions every single day, 9 to 6 p.m. West African time, every single day on WhatsApp. Okay? You can DM me, ask me your questions, where you're stuck. I will lead you through every single thing. So basically, what I'm trying to tell you is that even after this training, I will still be there for you. I will be mentoring you through everything. So these are the reasons why you should join this training. I'm trying to list out for you. If you're watching this from YouTube, link in the description. If you're watching this from Facebook, just search for Capital Bull Market. Okay, search for it, Capital Bull Market. Okay, Capital Bull Market. Even on YouTube, even on Facebook, just search for it, and you'll see our page, or you see our YouTube channel. The link to how to join this training is on the channel. Also on the page. Watching this on YouTube, basically you see the link on the comment section, or use the WhatsApp phone number on the screen to DM me now on WhatsApp on how to join. Okay, just DM me and I'll give you the link to join this training. Basically, is what I usually charge people $100 for. Okay, others who also help me in mentorship, who have already trained on this, on how to go about this, who are already experienced, they paid $100 to join. Okay, they paid $100 to learn. But right now I'm helping people. I'm basically helping many people. So follow the link below and join the free session of this training right now. In the free session, I'm going to show you everything you need to know on what you'll be getting, how you'll be earning. Okay, so just follow the link, DM me, or you use the phone number to DM me on WhatsApp right now to get access to the training. Remember, I said I will show you how to make money making videos. I've explained to you why and who will be paying you for this money. I've told you there are people out there who are willing to pay everything in their power to get famous on social medias, and also to get famous affiliate marketer to grow their account. Okay, so I'm going to teach you how to get access to this platform and take money for completing basic simple tasks with your phone, watching videos. Okay, that is one of the things I'm going to teach. And I'm also going to teach you affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing in the sense that you will be getting paid per person that signs up for this platform. I'm not telling you per person that buys a product. I mean sign up, just clicking your link and signing up, you're getting paid. I've been doing it. In the training, I'll be dropping my own link. When you sign up, I'm earning. Okay, so you're gonna learn how this works and how to withdraw directly into your bank account anywhere you are. Okay, how to withdraw, that's one of the major problems. Your earnings, you want to learn how to withdraw. You just want to learn how to withdraw. I'll be exposing this platform to you, the secrets of how to go about it. Okay, you want to learn how to withdraw into your platform, so I'll be teaching you this also. So these are one of the things you'll be learning. This is very important. You're going to be learning that in the training. There are do's and don'ts. There are rules, what to do and what not to do, and when to do what you want to do. Your earnings, how to use them to purchase their services on the platform. Okay, I'm going to be teaching you that also. They have many services. That means if you don't want to withdraw your earnings, how to use it to purchase services. These services are very relevant. They are very promising. They are very productive. Okay, optional is not a must. Referral is optional also. It's not a must. You can withdraw your earnings. Okay, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw. So you just want to join this training. And lastly, which is part of the training, I said I will teach you how to do YouTubing, TikToking, Facebooking. If you want to learn how to grow your social media handles, how to promote your social media content, how to make your content go viral, how to start a successful YouTube channel. I said I'm going to teach you all this in this training. I've listed them out. You're hearing me right now. I'm going to be teaching you every single thing step by step in the training. So that's all so part of the training, and you don't want to miss out. So use the WhatsApp phone number on the screen or search for Capital Bull Market right now and join the market. It's hitting. I'm training people on how to go about this. Or you go to capitalbullmarket.com from the browser and join. Okay, just follow the link in the browser to join. Also capitalbullmarket.com right now from the browser to join. And another thing you'll be earning from this training as a bonus is how to run ads on Google, on YouTube, and on Facebook. That's a complete bonus. Okay, this bonus package is to enable you monetize your affiliate link. If you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, if you really want to start this, imagine you run an ad of $1 on Google and you have, let me say, 100 people clicking the link and then they sign up. You know that $1 ad you run, you're basically gonna make 100 people comes from the link, right? And this platform I'm about to show you is paying you $2 per person that signs up. This is easy money. Okay, you will be making $200 on a straight single $1 you ad you run. Okay, so you are making $200 from $1, and basically Google Ads is not limited. There are no limits to how much you can spend. Okay, in fact, I'll even teach you how to start Google Ads with zero capital, Facebook Ads with zero capital. Basically, all you have to do is fund your card and keep it and wait for when your conversion start coming up. Okay, basically Google billing system, all these are what I'll be teaching you to train. They bill when you have reached a particular amount. Okay, basically you run these ads and earn and withdraw, and the money you are withdrawing is basically the money you might be using to pay for the ad. That means if you don't have any capital to start up the ad, you start running the ad is up and running, and then people have signed up from your Facebook ad, from Google ads, from YouTube ad, and after signing up, then you get paid from this platform. In return, they will not charge you for the ads. It's funny, isn't it? These are systems that have been working for me, and I'll be teaching you how this works. I'll be teaching you how to do this once you join this training. Okay, so I'm going to teach you how to set your budget, your bid cap, cost per aim of whatever you want from your ads. If you want to use a video to run this ad on Facebook or Google, if you want to use an image, if you want to use basic plain text on Google Ads, search keywords, I'll teach you everything. So in class, you don't need a website to start running this ad. You need a website. I'm also going to help you set up one for you. Okay, in class, if you need a website to arrange everything in order, I'm going to help you with the setup. Okay, so in class, you're going to gain pretty much more than you've ever imagined. You're going to gain from this how to make money online, working from home. This is it. This is not investment. I know many people like losing their money. You like losing your money investing in things that are definitely not gonna last. This is not an investment scheme. Okay, it is a basic way to make money working from home. You withdraw directly to your bank account. Okay, I'm gonna teach you this right now. Follow the link, search for Capital Bull Market, go to capitalbullmarket.com to join, and also you can use the WhatsApp phone number on the screen to DM me on how to get started. Lastly, leave a comment on this video. If you're on Facebook or YouTube or any other media channel, leave a comment, please. Tell people what you think. If you have been earning already from this training, if you are earning already, leave a comment. Tell people what you think about this training. Like and share. Okay, you don't want to be the only one to be earning from this alone. What is the value of your money when every day you are sharing it with your brother because your brother is not doing anything, or your sister or your friend doesn't have any job? This information will transform your friend and also transform you. So share to your loved ones right now. Click on the share button, start sharing, let others know about the opportunity, life transforming, and be part of the fast earning society, making money. Okay, I want to see you in class. Okay, so follow the link right now to join. Thanks once again. Like and subscribe, like and share. I love you all.